I didn't want to go to the same place every day and see the same people and do the same job. I want to live life a different life. I want interesting challenges. Do you feel the same? Do you love to explore with your hands and eyes, touching and examining the world around you? Then you might be an ISTP as defined by Myers-Briggs system of personality type. Namaste, one and all. This is Sachin Hada from Gold Coast presenting you the lockdown edition of Career Planning.
We at Gold Coast are here with another episode of MBTI Personality Traits. In this episode, let's know more about ISTP. ISTP stands for Introvert, Sensing, Thinking, Perceiving. ISTP is also popularly known as the craftsman. This is the personality type that represents approximately 6% of the population. ISTPs typically have strong powers of reasoning, although they are not interested in theories or concepts unless they can see a practical application. They have an adventurous spirit. They do not believe in or follow rules, regulations, and procedures. They are action-oriented people. They are adaptable and spontaneous. They have strong technical skills and can be effective technical leaders. They focus on details and practical things. ISTPs are attracted to motorcycles, airplanes, skydiving, surfing, etc. This shows that ISTPs love adventure, thrill, or excitement. ISTPs are fiercely independent people who like and need to spend time alone because this is when they can sort things out in their minds most clearly. Now, let's have a glance at the strengths of ISTPs. ISTPs tend to be straightforward, honest, and more interested in action than conversation. They operate more on curiosity and impulses than organization or plan. They have good observation and focus on details and practical things. They master skills, especially those requiring the use of hands or tools, and using those skills with precision. They're exceptional troubleshooters in emergency situations and can handle crisis situations with ease. They work with real things and tangible products. Now, let's have a glance at the weaknesses of ISTPs. Under stress, ISTPs exhibit rash, emotional outbursts of anger. They leave projects unfinished in order to start something exciting and funful. They do not follow through on commitments and responsibilities. They unknowingly hurt people's feelings. They ignore or overlook plans for future. They have difficulty distinguishing between emotional reactions and value judgment. They avoid working as a part of a group, preferring to work alone. The ISTPs often get stuck in a rut and only do those things that are known and comfortable to them, and the ability to take things in stride and branch out into new opportunities need to be developed. It is okay to be different, but there are rules in society, and it would be to your benefit to follow them. Allow others to influence you a little more, instead of surrounding yourself with people who support your own way of life and rejecting people who think or live differently. Don't allow yourself to become paranoid. People are not trying to control you. Now, let's see the careers that ISTPs might follow. Farmer, actor or actress, athlete, pilot, adventurer, army general, world leader, spiritual leader. The popular personalities supposed to be ISTPs are Tom Cruise, Demi Moore, Bruce Lee, Scarlett Johansson, Vladimir Putin, Erwin Rommel, Dalai Lama, Venus Williams, John McEnroe, Edmund Hillary, Amelia Earhart.
Do you want to know more about the different personality types, their traits, their strengths, their weaknesses, the best career fits, and the famous celebrities that come in their types? Then stay tuned. Till then, bye.